What up, folks? Today I'm sharing with you 3 specific exercises from my new upcoming book, Calisthenics for Beginners, out April 14th. Kindle version is going to be available 2 weeks before that. There's a pre-order link down below in the description if you're interested in checking that out. But what I'm going to share with you today are 3 exercises that can make a hell of a difference in your workouts, but I will warn you, these are by far the hardest exercises in the book, and possibly the hardest exercises most of us are going to be tackling in our training career. First exercise is the classic child's pose from yoga. Second exercise is lying belly breathing, or as I learned it, it's called alligator breathing, where you're just lying with your hands overhead and you're basically breathing and expanding your belly as much as possible. And then the third exercise is lying chair pose. So basically putting your feet up, lying on the ground, and breathing very mindfully as well. Now I know you may be looking at that saying like, dude, those are easy, like anybody can do that. But I guarantee you 99.9% of you watching this video won't even give them a try. The reason why they're so crucial is because they go against the exact grain of what we think we need to do in order to get and maximize your results for building muscle and strength. This is a super hard lesson for me to learn because my attitude is always go, 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 go. Like I want to be hopped up on Red Bull 24/7, go, 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 100 miles an hour every single day. But here's the thing, is when you're always in this sympathetic nervous system dominant state, it's so incredibly hard for your body to actually recover and adapt to the stimulus from your workouts. So you can go and get the best workout in the world, but remember, the workout only creates a stimulus for change. It doesn't actually cause it. You need to give your body and your nervous system the ability to actually adapt and build right back up. So those 3 exercises done at the end of your workout give you the opportunity to downshift from sympathetic nervous system dominance into parasympathetic nervous system dominance. And even if you do it for just 30 seconds or so, just take a few moments and breathe, you're gonna feel a hell of a lot better and kickstart that whole restorative process. And I'm making this video now especially because with the sky falling with coronavirus and all that kind of thing, we need this more than ever. So the challenge is do at least one of those exercises after every workout you do for the next week, and I guarantee you're gonna notice a hell of a difference. So once again, there's a link down below for the book pre-order. Don't forget, I also have, of course, my other books that are available right now that you can download and have like that on my Amazon page. The link is down below for that as well. Let me know if you have any questions on home workouts, bodyweight training, all that good stuff as well. Thanks very much for watching. Be fit, live free.